आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, so in the given question, match the examples given in column 1 with the name of the reaction which is given in column 2 here, right? Okay, so here we have table of column 1 and column 2. In column 1 we have the examples of the reactions, and in column 2 we have the name of the reaction here. So we have to match them for the correct one here, right? Okay, so first of all I will talk about the reaction first here, right? Is this CH3 C double bond O Cl, right? This is our acyl chloride which react with H2 in the presence of palladium barium sulfate. Then it gives a aldehyde, right? So this is a naming reaction of aldehyde, and we can see there is a reduction reaction produced here. So this reaction is known as the Rosenmund reaction, right? So the correct answer here, Rosenmund reaction, is in the E, right? So we match first reaction to the E, which is Rosenmund reaction, right? Okay, now if we see the second reaction, this is our benzaldehyde, benzene having CHO, and in the presence of base it react and they give the product that is alcohol and acid, right? As we can see, in the presence of base there is a reduction and oxidation. Reduction and oxidation is occurred here, right? And this is a naming reaction which is known as Cannizzaro reaction, right? In this reaction alcohol and acid are produced by the benzaldehyde in the presence of base, right? So this type of reaction is known as a Cannizzaro reaction, right? So the correct answer for second one is D, that is Cannizzaro reaction, right? Now if I talk about the third reaction, in which benzene, right? Benzene is reactive with the CH3COOCl in the presence of AlCl3, right? Aluminium trichloride. Then they give this compound, right? And this type of reaction is known as the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, right? This type here, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So the third belongs to A1 here, right? A. Okay, now if we see the next reaction, fourth one, in which RCH2 C double bond H, right? This is an acid, and in the presence of red phosphorus and bromine, then they gives RCHBr C double OH, right? This reaction is known as HBZ reaction, right? So the correct answer for fourth one is B here, right? This belongs to the HBZ reaction here. Okay, now next one is CH3CN, right? CH3CN in the presence of SnCl2 HCl and hydration H2OH plus, right? They give they give aldehyde, right? Right, CH3CHO. Okay, so when the reaction occurs in the presence of SnCl2, right, there is a reduction reaction, and this type of reaction is known as the Stephen's reaction. Okay, so the fifth is belongs to the F here. Okay, F. Okay, so the last reaction is 2CH3CHO in the presence of base, right? As we can see in this compound, there is alpha hydrogen present here, right? And after, in the presence of base, they give CH3CH right? This is unsaturated compound, right? And this type of reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction, right? So here 6 belong to the C, right? So all reactions are matches for the correct naming reaction, right? So this is the answer for this question here. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।